Okay, here we have a fairly normal Apollo mountain bike. It has these horrible zoom forks on it, and you're probably wondering what's inside these things. They're so bad, they work better in the rain than they do in the dry. They all end up seizing up eventually. They have bushing play and it's really cheaply made. So what exactly is inside these things? Well, we're going to find out. But you can't take it apart, you say? Ah, trust me, we can. This should get it open. Okay, now let's slide the lower legs off and see what we got inside. It appears as though we have the springs in the lower legs there and the elastomers. This leg doesn't quite want to come off for some reason. There's Shmoo holding it together. Well, there's some slight technical difficulties here. I'm just going to have to go get something heavy to knock it apart. The hammer's in the back of the car, so you know. Well, that isn't going to work either. It seems it is completely stuck. Not for long. Nope, it seems to be welded in there. The actual spring appears to be welded. So it appears as though that's all that's inside these things. Now the spring, we have this bit of elastomer on the end of it, and then we have this rod which is welded directly down into here. And it's like a little, it's welded at the end, and it's welded to this little piece down inside which wouldn't quite come up through the fork, so there's just two small springs in here. The springs are handier than the forks. That concludes this video of these awesome Zoom suspension forks. Better than 36s by far.